Natalia Gumenyuk, head of the United Coordination Press Center of the Southern Defense Forces of Ukraine, has stated that the 109th Regiment of the self-proclaimed Donetsk People's Republic retreated from their positions in the Kherson region. The Kakhovka group also stated that HIMARS systems had destroyed practically all large bridges in the area: the Antonivka Road Bridge, the Antonivka Railway Bridge and the Novokakhovka Bridge. The Russian army has been cut off from weapon and personnel transports from the territory of Crimea, the representative said. Gumenyuk said that the Ukrainian army had launched offensives in many directions in southern Ukraine. Now, this video is captured from a Russian soldier phone by Ukrainian forces.
The Ukrainian forces are firing heavily from all types of weapons. Ukrainian soldiers occupied the first line of defense. The 109th Regiment of the DPR retreated from its positions in the Kherson region. Our paratroopers fled the battlefield.
Deputy of Kherson Regional Council Sergei Klin said, "Today there was a powerful artillery attack on enemy positions in the entire territory of the occupied Kherson region. This is the announcement of what we've been waiting for since the spring. It is the beginning of the de-occupation of Kherson region." This video is somewhere from captured Russian positions around Kherson.
Це той чудовий момент, коли російська армія біжить, аж гай гуде. І стає головним спонсором ЗСУ, залишаючи нам багато цікавих іграшок, які ми їм і повернемо в дупу. Наздоганяти будемо їх їхніми же кулями, снарядами. Хай їм гриться.
The anticipation of a major counteroffensive to liberate the southern region under Russian control has been building since early July, when Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov said that President Volodymyr Zelensky had ordered to liberate the occupied south. It was an unusual move for Ukraine's government to advertise the military's goals. Loud explosions were reported on August 29 in the afternoon in two major southern capitals, Kherson, occupied by Russian troops, and Mykolaiv, under Ukrainian control. Ukraine's Kakhovka operational group also reported on August 29 that the 109th Regiment of the Russian-occupied Donetsk Oblast withdrew from its positions in Kherson Oblast and the Russian paratroopers supporting them fled the battlefield. The group says that US-provided high-precision HIMARS rocket launchers have destroyed almost all large bridges, including the Antonivsky and Novokakhovsky bridges, leaving only some pedestrian crossings and cutting Russian forces off from the supply of weapons and personnel from the territory of occupied Crimea. Ukrainian forces began striking the three key bridges to Kherson across the Dnipro River in July. Later Russian forces started building pontoon bridges across the Dnipro River after Ukrainian strikes on the bridges. British intelligence, however, said these pontoon bridges will also likely be vulnerable to Ukrainian strikes. In addition to the attacks on bridges, Ukraine has largely focused on targeting Russian ammunition dumps in the area in an attempt to weaken Russia's ability to withstand Ukraine's counteroffensive. Ukrainian Southern Command said that the depots were Ukraine's main priority. According to two senior U.S. officials briefed on intelligence who spoke with CNN, Ukrainian forces have begun shaping operations in Ukraine's south to prepare the area for a major counteroffensive. The two officials told CNN that Russia's battlefield tactical groups, or BTGs, which include infantry, tanks, artillery, and air defense are currently at low levels of manpower, some of them at even half of where they should be.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.